Hi, friend. What a beautiful day it is to take care of your body. Today, we'll be doing a beautiful bed yoga, and this bed yoga will be focused on really settling your body into the day. So, let's get started by getting on our bed, just becoming acclimated to the space in which we are in. I like doing this class before sleeping or taking a nap because it really settles your body. It activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest, and it helps your body prepare for restoration. You deserve that. These will be very gentle movements, also very relaxing. So I hope that you enjoy this practice and that it's a warm hug for your body. So let's get started on our back. Bringing the soles of your feet onto the bed, maybe you're shifting your shoulders. And take a deep breath in here and exhale. Allowing your hands to actually come to a goalpost by your side. Feeling the ground beneath you. Maybe you're closing your eyes or giving yourself a soft gaze. Allow this moment to be a moment of breath awareness. Maybe today was a lot in a way that may be heavy or busy, but allow everything to melt off your body and into the bed. Let's take another deep breath in and out. Now, as you continue to breathe, go ahead and allow your legs to fall gently side by side in nice windshield wipes. We're not forcing our body, we're actually being very gentle. And also make sure that nothing touches. So as it's going side to side, that each body part has its own. Finding just some relief here in the hips, allowing them to flush out. Deep breath in, full breath out. Beautiful. Now bringing those knees into your chest, wrap your arms around your knees. You hear my legs. Gently rock side to side and allow those ankles to roll as well. Maybe you're giving yourself a tight squeeze here. Squeeze. And then release. Let's do 2 more of those. Inhale, we squeeze. Maybe bringing that head towards your knees and release. Last one, best one. Deep inhale in. Squeeze. And release. Beautiful. Arms back into a T, legs or a goalpost, legs into a tabletop. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring those legs over towards that left side. Maybe your gaze is over the right, and you can even bring your hand to rest gently on your legs if you would like. But let's just breathe here. Massaging those internal organs, nice twist to wring out the intestines. Saying thank you for giving us such a great day today. Or any type of movement is a gratitude. Another deep breath in, full breath out. Inhale your knees up. Let's go directly over towards the opposite side. So knees over towards the right. Maybe that right hand gently rests on those knees. Maybe your head comes over towards the left for a nice side supine twist to the right. Maybe you're closing your eyes. Just relax in this posture, even if you need to wiggle into it a little bit. Deep inhale in. Full exhale out. One more inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Now taking those knees back into your chest. One knee in each hand, and I want you to just do gentle circles. One way, and then the opposite way. Inviting you to call in a gratitude from the day thus far, opposite way. And one more. Beautiful. Now inhale your legs up the wall. Exhale, we bend. Maybe you're taking a massage to those hamstrings. Inhale, extend. Exhale, I want you to come out into a V. Inhale, legs up the wall. Exhale, we bend. Inhale, legs up the wall. Exhale, come into a V. Inhale, legs up the wall. Let's do one more. Exhale, we bend. Inhale, legs up the wall. Exhale, we V. Beautiful. Inhale, legs up the wall. And what I want you to do is take your right hand, bring it around that right calf or the right thigh, whatever feels good to you, left hand to meet it. And then send that left leg down for a nice single leg stretch on the right. Maybe walk those hands up if that feels good to you. You can also point the toe or flex, just finding some space. Maybe you're rolling the ankle. Deep breath in, full breath out. One more, inhaling in, exhale. Bring that knee closer towards your nose. Beautiful. Let's bring that left leg back up and then send that right leg down. It's okay if one side may be a little bit different than the other. Just find some awareness. Can you relax a little bit more? Inhale and exhale. Maybe rolling that ankle. Inhale and exhale. Last one, best one, deep breath in and exhale. Beautiful. Let's bring actually both of them back up. Bend those knees into your elbows. Maybe you're taking those hands on the inside or the outside of that foot. And finding yourself in a happy baby. Maybe you're shifting side to side. Awesome. Maybe you straighten those legs and bend. Beautiful. One more. Big breath in. Full breath out. Beautiful. Let's bring the soles of your feet together. A nice butterfly pose, and then bring them down. Lengthen out your back, baby. Maneuvering your shoulders. And if you want extra support, you can always bring some pillows underneath for a more restorative posture here. And then allow yourself to just be at ease. Maybe your hands are coming on your belly, your stomach. Maybe one is on your heart so you can feel your heart beating. It's a very relaxing posture here. And inviting you to go back to that gratitude, friend. Nice long exhales. What sensations are present here? Allowing each exhale to help you release the day a little bit more. Breathing in the fullness of yourself. Thanking yourself for another beautiful day. releasing anything that does not serve you on the exhales. I'm so proud of you for showing up, for honoring your body, for just taking a moment to pause, bring in some gentle movement and some fresh oxygen, for nourishing your cells. It's so amazing, and I'm so proud of you. Let's end this practice in this posture so that maybe you do drift off straight into a rest, a nap, or your sleep. So we'll do 3 breaths here. Inhaling for filling the belly, exhaling through the mouth. And we'll begin here. Deep breath in, breath 1. And exhale. That one's for us. Deep breath in, breath 2. And exhale. That one's for our friends and our family. They're smiling. Last one, best one. Deep breath in. And exhale. We release our loving kindness out into the world. You are absolutely amazing. And I hope that you continue to feel that every single day. Make sure to revisit more of our bed yoga classes. Maybe you even want to pop on a meditation or a chakra meditation music. You deserve to be at ease. And you deserve the most beautiful rest. So have a great rest of your day.